In this lesson, we are going to learn about how to style a text. And at first, we are going to learn about the gradient. So let's take a look at how you will apply gradient in Adobe Photoshop for stylize your text. So at first, you have to create a new document, and not the new document actually. You have to create a canvas for editing the image, and that's why you have to go for the file menu, and here is the new option. So let me click on this new option, and here is some presets. So let me use this 1920 by 1080 pixel. This is a preset for web, and I'm just using this one. And let me click create. Okay, cool. So we do have the white background in here, and at first I'm going to type a text. Then we will stylize that text. So right now we are going to use the type tool for typing the text. So where is the type tool? Here is the type tool. You can take a look. Here is a T icon inside that toolbar, and this is the type tool. Or you can use T button from your keyboard as the keyboard shortcut. So let me click on this T button, and you can take a look. The cursor of your mouse should be changed as like me. So my mouse cursor is changed, but before typing some text, I want to show you something. That is, here is the text color. As we have the white color in background, and if we use the white color for typing the text, there is nothing will be understandable. So we have to change the color. So let's change the color. Here is the option for changing the color. You just have to click with your mouse, then a color picker will appear. So you can pick any color from here. So here is the red color, and here is the preview. So if you want to pick some other color like pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, you can pick it. Suppose you want to pick the pink color, you just have to select in here the pink color. Then the type of pink color will be appeared in the color picker, like light pink color, deep pink color, as well as blue color. Here is the blue color, here is the green color, here is the yellow color, here is the orange color. So I'm going to pick the red color for now, just for an example. So let me pick the red one, and let me click OK. So you can take a look. The color of text is changed, and this is the option for size of text, and this is the option for font of text. So if you click on this option, then the font that installed on your computer will be appeared. So you can pick any font from here. So right now I'm going to use this Fire Brothers font, or you can use any font from your computer. So let me use this one, and you just have to click with your mouse, and now you will be able to type the text. So let me type IT learners. Okay, so it seems the size of text is a little smaller. I want to make it bigger. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily. So let's highlight this text using the mouse. So now we will increase the size of text, and here is the option for increasing the size of text. Right now we do have 14 point, and if you click on this drop down menu, then you will get the others option. So if you want to increase more, you can go for the 24 point. Right now we have the bigger text in size. If you want to increase more, you can pick this 60 point, and if you need the large font tool or large size, then you can go for 72. Okay, so in the drop down, 72 is the top point for increasing the size of text. But if you want to increase more than 72, how you can do that? You can do that very easily. You just have to put the manual values in here. So let me show you. I want to make it for 100 point. So you just have to delete this 72, and you just have to press the delete button, or you can directly put the 100 point, and then you have to hit the enter button from your keyboard. So let me hit the enter button. Now I have the big size of text. So let's take a look how it looks like. Okay, cool. So we do have the big size of text, and now we are going to use the gradient in this text. So how you will apply the gradient in this text? And you can take a look. We still have the text I mean the type tool active in this text, and that's why you just have to hit the Control and Enter button from your keyboard, or if you are using Mac, you have to press Command and Enter button from your keyboard for closing this type tool, or you can just click on this tick mark, and this tick mark is ensuring confirmation of command. So let me click on this tick mark. Okay, so right now we are going to apply the different type of text style in this text. So at first we are going to apply the gradient. So what is the gradient? Gradient basically a combination of two different color. So you can take a look, we got a new layer inside our layer panel, and we are going to apply two different color in this text. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily. And for applying the gradient in this text, you just have to go for this effects option inside the layers panel, and with this effects option, it seems you will able to add some layer style to your text. So let me click on this effects, and then you will get this gradient overlay option. So you just have to click on this gradient overlay option. Okay, cool. You can take a look. The color of the text is changed because we do have the gradient presets available in here. That's why the preset applied to the text. Okay, so let's change the gradient. If you click on this gradient option, then you will get the different type of preset. So let me click on this gradient icon or gradient option, then another pop-up will appear. So this is the pop-up, and inside this gradient editor pop-up, you will get different type of presets that's provided by Adobe Photoshop, like the basics, blues, purple, pink, reds, and many more presets are available. So let me show you the folders. Let me open the basics folders. Okay, this is the basics folders, and if you pick any presets from here, the style of the text will be changed. So let me select one. Okay, you can take a look. The style of text is changed. Let me select this one. Style is changed. So these three presets are basically the preset of basics. So let me close this folder and let me open the blue folder. And inside the blues folder, it will have different type of blue color gradient preset. You can pick any preset from here, like this one, like this one, like this one, this one, and this one. So different type of presets are available. Okay, let me close the blues folder. Let me show with the purple. Here is the different type of purple gradients presets are available. Here is one, here is one, here is another, here is another. Okay, so let me close the purples. Here is the pink, here is the reds, here is the orange. So different type of presets are available, so you just have to check it one by one. Okay, so suppose we used these presets, and the name of this preset is purple 21. Suppose you selected this one and you are going to apply these things. So let me click OK, and here is we got the preset that's we got from the Adobe Photoshop. And here is the angles. If you want to change the angle of gradients, then you can do that very easily. So how you can do that? You can do that very easily. So let me change the angle. Right now we do have the 90 degree, and now I have 19 degree. Now I have minus 33 degree, and here is the color of the gradient is changing. So right now I have minus 33 degree, and the blue colors are present at the right side of the text. So let's change the angle. Now I have minus 143 degree, and the blue colors placed at the left side of the text. So this is the angle, and with this angle wheel you can change the color angles of gradient. Okay, so this is the preset. Suppose you want to use your custom color for gradient. How you will do that? You can do that very easily. So you just have to open this gradient preset once again, and then you can pick any preset from here. But after selecting any preset, you are still able to change the color of gradient. How you will do that? You can do that using this pointer. Suppose here is the blue color, so you want to change the blue colors. Here we got the 4 type of color that's present in our gradient. So if you want to change, or if you want to put the manual color, then you can do that. So let's change with the blue one. So here is the blue one. When you will click on this pointer, then you will get for changing the color option. So here is the color option, And from here, I'm going to select another color. I want to pick this blue color from here, and let me click OK. And we got another color. I want to change this color also. So let me select this one. And from this color option, I want to go with the blue color as well. So I want to pick this blue color, and let me click OK. So I got two options for changing the color. So let me select this one, and I want to change the orange color as well. So you just have to select it, and from the color picker, you can pick any color. So I want to make it blue color as well. Okay, so you can take a look. We got the most of blue colors. Okay, looks good. And let me click OK. And for the bottom part, I want to change the color. I want to pick the red color. So you just have to select on this pointer, and here is the color option. So let me select this color option, and from here I want to pick the red color. Okay, cool. So let me click OK, and here is the settings for changing the custom color. So for the first three from the right side, I used blue color, and if you want to change or if you want to customize something else, you can do that. So let me change the third color of blues. I want to go with the green color in here. So you just have to click on this icon or pointer, then you will get this color option. And now I want to pick the green color. Okay, so here is the green color I picked. Let me click OK, and let me click OK. So right now I have three different color in here, and this is what I put the manual color changes in Gradient. So this is how you can use the preset, and this is how you can change the manual color for your text using Gradient. So see you